This is Dr. Padma, Professor, Department of ECE, Gokaraju Rangaraju Engineering College, Hyderabad. Would like to discuss on the principles of satellites. So let us see the overview of the satellite. So what is a satellite? A satellite is an artificial satellite which is used for communication purposes from the satellite which is above the earth, and where we can able to pick up the signals. So the signals can be transmitted from the earth station and it can send to the satellite, and then we can receive the signals which is used for the communication purposes. So the communication is very much required when any person want to communicate. If there are two people which are sitting side by side, they can easily communicate each other, okay, without any communication system. Whereas if the person is very far off, with a with a public address system, they can able to communicate. If the two persons want to communicate very far off between the two states, between the two countries, so there can be a wired system or a wireless communication can be possible. So this type of data, it can be a message, or it can be the images, or it can be a signal, or it can be a voice, audio, video, any type of a signal can be sent from one person to other, which is used for communication with the help of the satellite. This satellite is a man-made artificial satellite which is used for the communication purposes. The main aim of the satellite is to receive the signals from the earth station, and then do some amplification and do some noise filtering, and then retransmit those signals, the received signals, and then retransmit to the ground again, so that he can able to receive the signals. So that is the artificial satellite. There is a natural satellite which is a moon, which also rotates across the earth, around the earth. Similarly, this artificial satellite also rotates with respect to earth, and it looks like a stationary object, so that it can always continuously viewing the earth station to pick up the signals, or to transmit the signals, or to receive the signals. That is the artificial satellite. So these satellites are usually launched by our from India. If we take India as an example, we have ISRO, that is Indian Satellite Research Center, from where the satellite is being launched with the help of a launch vehicle. So that satellite is launched with the help of a launch vehicle or a rocket, so that it is being applied onto the determined location. So there are different types of satellites. It can be a low Earth orbit satellite, or a medium Earth orbit satellite, or a geosynchronous orbit satellite. So it depends upon where the satellite is being located with respect to Earth, at how much distance these satellites are being located. So this is the picture where you can see that the rocket is being launched with the satellite is being launched with the help of a rocket, or it is also called as a space shuttle. So this space shuttle will be deployed from the earth station, from the earth, and it is being the satellite is being landed into its orbital location with the help of these launch vehicles. So you can see that these satellites are have these rocket launchers will have a different boosters at each and every step for the deployment. So it carries a fuel for the deployment. So whenever that fuel get ended, the whatever the deployment takes place from that rocket booster. So like this, the every time, each and every time, the booster will be dropped from the vehicle. So it is been traveling at a very faster and faster rate, because it becomes very much lighter as it is been traveling from the earth towards the space. It's going on deploying. So when it is getting deployed, you can see that the satellite is coming out from this launch vehicle. So this launch vehicle, from this launch vehicle, the satellite which comes out, and it is been spinning with a certain speed, and it reaches to a proper altitude, because based upon how much location at where it has to be located. So in that way, this satellite is being placed in that orbit with respect to the speed. That speed is with respect to the Earth's rotation. So the speed and the location is being controlled with the help of this launch vehicle, and it is being released in such a way. The satellite is being released from a launch vehicle in such a way that it gets fixed into its orbital location. Thank you.